I just landed my third office cleaning contract in a brand new state. My third cleaning company where nobody knows me. I just landed my third contract. It's a high ticket contract. And the first thing I thought about was you. This video is all about why brand new cleaning companies have a super advantage. And I was reminded of this, and I'm going to walk you through that. I'm going to walk you through exactly why I was reminded of this, and I was like, wait a minute. I mean, if you see it, if you could see the game this way, you're going to be able to get the drop on anyone who's been doing this for years. I'm talking about they could have been doing this for 10 years plus. So I'm going to start this video here. I sent out sales letters, as I tend to, and this particular client, let's call her Claire, she runs a medical facility about maybe 30 minutes from me. And she immediately went to my website. So she didn't call originally. She went right to my website. Very, smart buyer. Went to the website, checked a little bit about us, and she called. Well, sorry, she put in an application to the website. That's right. And then we called. Okay, we set up a walkthrough, and then in the walkthrough, I'm, going through everything, getting the necessary information that we need ultimately. But in that time, we're building value. And a lot of that value is by asking questions, getting to figure out, okay, why are they looking for a new cleaner? What's got them so stressed out? What are some of their pet peeves? Just asking all these questions. It makes you look like a pro, and it gets them really in that emotional pocket, so to speak, of what's getting them to want to change over cleaners, because it's not the easiest thing to do. There's a lot that goes into changing who's going to have access to your space. Okay, so we're going through that process, and towards the end, we had such a great conversation. Towards the end, these are the types of things that she's saying. She's like, oh, I was seeing franchises, and I was looking at other companies who were offering residential services, and I was just like, that's not what I want. My husband and I, we poured so much money into this facility. It's our pride and joy, and no offense, we weren't going to call a maid company, and no offense, we weren't going to call a franchise, because we have had experience with franchises before, and they were just sending people that would just come do the trash and do their best everywhere else and leave. That's what she said. And I was like, oh, interesting. So I guess what made us, an option for you? She was like, I know just everything about what you said in your letter. And then I check your website, and it's like, okay, these people truly get it. They understand that that there's people out here that really do care about our spaces and blah, blah, blah. And she just went on and on and on. And she hit that drum. And here's why I thought about you first, legitimately. Because if you're watching this channel, you tend to be someone who hasn't started, right? And, well, overwhelming majority. So I thought of you because I didn't tell her how many years experience I had. I didn't tell her that. I didn't tell her how many clients I currently have. Before her, it was just 2 others. We just started, right? We just want an office at a time. We don't want 100 offices. Me, the way I'm thinking about it, I want to close this year maybe with 8 to 10 offices. Maybe I didn't even say 8, like 7 to 8 is perfect. 7 to 8 clients at $5,000 a month. That's my target for this year. So she would be number 3, but she doesn't know that. And why? And that's because of our positioning. See, when you position yourself correctly with a website, with proper marketing, with a logo and tagline, if all of these things align, this puts you in a power position. And you don't have to say anything. You don't have to brag. You don't have to say, oh, we're the best. And you may be thinking like, well, yeah, but what about the people who've been doing this for 20 more years? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because just look at it in my instance. There's plenty of cleaning companies where I am. Plenty. And in this potential client's mind, somebody who's seeking value versus just the cheapest bid, which I always tell you about on this channel. Tell them blue in the face. This pale skin. I get blue sometimes because I'm telling you guys, who cares about getting 100 clients? Who cares about just getting a zillion clients as fast as possible? Why not just dial in on 5 dream clients for a year. Every year, just bring on 5 more dream clients. I mean, truth is, you could do more than that. But I'm saying, why not just take it like that? So that's how I'm approaching this game. 5 at a time, and that's what I thought about with you. I'm like, she didn't know any of that. And she still chose us. And that's because the brand checks out, right? That's because the marketing checks out. Getting a sales letter speaking directly to pain, right? The pain of, I have invested so much money into my space, and if people are coming to my space and it looks lousy, then it's making our investment look bad, it's making our brand look bad, it's making our company look bad, and so we're gonna make less money. Now, I didn't say that directly, but those are the undertones. So just imagine coming at it from that perspective when you open that letter and you're shaking your head, you're like, yeah, that's true. Just think of that. And then you go to the website. Most people, to be totally candid, most people don't even make it to the website. Most people that I'm marketing to will just legitimately read that sales letter and say, okay. Some will Google, make sure it's a real company, but they'll just pick up the phone and calling, right? Because it's not ChatGPT nonsense. It's just psychology, right? And then to put me in that location, and I made it all about her. There was no bragging. This is what gives you an advantage. That right there. And oftentimes, I love speaking to people who haven't started yet. It's because you're open to this new way of doing things. Because old way is cold call 1 million people, get as many contracts as possible. Hey, if commercial's a little slow, bring on some residential. Keep it going. We're a cleaning company. We clean everything. We'll clean kitchens, we'll clean dogs, we'll clean cars, we'll clean it all. But when you do that, the best clients ignore you. And there is a market for that type of cleaning company, but the margins are usually poop. They just are. They just are. I mean, I've personally helped recently. A few people have come on where they're doing $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 a month, and their margins are in the toilet. And they're running this massive operation, and they're getting no benefit from it. This is why you win. Because you can come in and take this, apply it, and dominate. So there are no excuses. There are no excuses. You are just 5 yeses away from freedom. As a complete beginner, 5 yeses. Over the next 6 months, you can close out this year as strong as possible just by getting 5 yeses from 5 of the right people. Then once you land each client, we send cleaners, right? And then from there, we automate and dial in everything else so your hours go down while the profits get higher and higher and higher. That's all it is. That's all it is. And if you'd like my help, my team's help, to help you get there, to hold your hand and do some of that work for you, a lot of that brunt work up front, hit the first link in the description, book a call, talk with my team, see if we'd be a good fit to help you get there and make this a reality. But if you want to know a little bit more about this model, want a little bit more about what makes it tick, how does it work, and how can you dominate as a beginner, watch this video right here. Go check it out. I'm waiting for you over there.